What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy French coming at you with another car audio build. Now, the last time I talked to you guys, I had just recently purchased a 18-inch ZV5 and I had a Teramp Smart 3 bass. I only had this for a couple of weeks. I decided I was going to upgrade a little bit. So here's what I got now. Just upgraded to a Salt 4 zero gauge wiring, and I have upgraded from the ZV5 18 to the ZV6 18. I just got this. Gonna open it up and take a look. Okay, so we got the top flap open. This thing's so damn heavy, I don't even want to open it up outside of my car. Bill of sale. Let's open this up here. Nice wrapping. Got a Sundown sticker. There she is. There's the big beast. Got the packing. This was packed real good. Actually, a lot of wrapping. I almost don't want to cut the box down a side, but I think I'm going to have to. Alright. Okay, now we got this thing cut down from the side so I can keep it in the box just a little bit longer. Probably massive. Look at this damn thing. Ooh, look at that big, beautiful bitch. Look at that thing right there. So I see we got some goodies on the bottom. Looks like I got a shirt, got a lanyard, and I got a voltmeter. Okay. Good shit, good deal. Now this sub, already I can look at it and see that it's a little bit bigger than the ZV5. Oh my god. This fucking thing is ginormous. Ooh, shit. Spider work. That's beautiful. So guys, try to get this leaned over to see the magnet. Okay. Looking down here, you can see the ZV6. This is one bad motherfucker. Alright guys, next time you see this sub, it's going to be in its permanent home. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Let's take a look at the bonuses we got here. This out of here. Oh, got the signature lollipop. Dum-dums. That was the one thing I was called by a couple people that didn't agree with me spending so much money on car audio. Call me a dum-dum. Alright, oh, we got more stuff. Okay, let's take a look here. We got the lanyard I mentioned earlier. Got another decal. Down for Shao. Got a t-shirt. I do believe I requested a black shirt with white lettering, but no matter. Free is free and I love it. We got Snack Finance. I used Acima or Acima. I don't know how you pronounce that properly, but I thought I would get no credit approval. I have a lack of credit history. That company approved me right off the bat for this sub. and the payments are awesome. I can pay it off 90 days, same as cash. I highly recommend using them if you are a broke dude with aspirations on having top-notch audio. You got yourself a nice part-time job, still living with your family, or if you ain't got too many responsibilities and you got a halfway decent job, if you can afford $100 a week, or hell, even $70 a week, this is a great way to build your credit. So my build is definitely changing from what it was. The only thing that I still have left that came from the original JL audio setup I had was my interior mids and highs. I'm going to have two Northstar AGM 220s powering this beast, and hopefully that's enough. I might have to get a third. Just got a new amp rack built. Sits a little higher off of the ground than I thought. I miscalculated the width of the trunk, but the box that the sub is going into is so enormous that that's not going to be a problem. It's going to brace nicely. I'm going to screw it in to the main box also for added security. And yeah, we will see you guys soon with the complete build.